Hello, everyone. My name is Don Alamban. I am the County Extension Director for La Paz County and the Tribal Extension Educator for the Colorado River Indian Tribes. I hope you're enjoying our conference so far. And let me just show you or share with you my screen so I could highlight our programs here in our area. So we have our programs in Ag and Natural Resources, where we utilize our extension specialist to provide some updates for our farmers on the latest findings in farming practices. And we also do local trials, so we could generate data that our farmers could use, mostly in pest and disease management. We also have our 4-H program, where we encourage our students to participate in the 4-H activities and help them develop leadership skills, interpersonal skills, and also help them with their projects in preparation for the county fair. Another program is our school garden located at Lepera School. We utilize this garden as an outdoor classroom where we could incorporate science and math concepts and also provide students with physical activity to give them a break from the four corners of their classroom. So far the students are enjoying their time at the garden, and we also exhibit our produce during the county fair. Our next project is the Fab Lab Project, also at Lepera School. We got funding from the Extension Strategic Initiative Program and used it to establish this lab. We're supposed to implement this at the beginning of this year, but our students were sent to back to their homes because of the COVID pandemic. And I'm excited this school year when the students come back to their classrooms and we could explore these equipments and provide them with STEM education. And last but not the least is our Family Health and Consumer Sciences, where we collaborate with our FCHS agent to provide workshops and informational activities with our community. Shown here is our agent with the manager of the Food and Distribution Program of CRIT, preparing for a workshop on sharing recipes utilizing the ingredients from the Food Distribution Program. And also from the produce of our garden, we have a garden project outside of the Food Distribution Center. So those are our major programs here in La Paz and CRIT. I hope, thank you for giving me this chance to share them with you. And I hope you enjoyed the rest of our conference. Thank you very much.